Advantages, disadvantages of preventive maintenance. Advantages of preventive maintenance include lower overhead costs, time commitments, production delays and accidents compared to unplanned maintenance. Less expensive investments in technology, labor, and data analysis compared to more complex systems. Disadvantages of preventive maintenance include investing more time and resources in the planning stage compared to less complex systems. The risk of conducting too much or too little maintenance and limiting efficiency across an operation.